Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to buy BNB using Coinbase wallet. So first of all, you need to download the Coinbase wallet app. They need to go to to do that, you need to go to Play Store or App Store. They need to search Coinbase wallet, not regular Coinbase app. They need to install and set up your wallet. Then save your 12-hour recovery phrase in a safe place, preferably offline. Now, you need to transfer crypto from Coinbase to wallet. Now, you need to open up the Coinbase wallet and tap receive. Choose the crypto you already own, that is ETH or USDC. Copy your wallet address. Open regular Coinbase app. Tap send on the crypto you want to use. Paste the wallet address and send the crypto. Now, you also need to swap crypto for BNB. In Coinbase wallet, tap swap or go to the app browser. Use a decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap for BNB. Connect your wallet to the DX and select the crypto you transferred, that is ETH or USDC. Now select the BNB as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount and confirm the swap. Approve transaction and wait for it to process. Please note, make sure you're on the correct network, that is BNB Smart Chain. You might need small BNB amounts for network fees. And now you're done. You now own BNB through your Coinbase wallet. Now here's some tips. Coinbase, the main app, does not sell BNB directly. Always double check wallet addresses before sending, and don't lose your recovery phrase. It's your only way to recover the wallet. Also, don't forget to keep a small amount of BNB for future gas fees.